Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to take out the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive and just bash it around the parking lot of the shop. See what she can do. Let's go over here in the back 40. Straighten out the steering. Looks like she's going straight. Oh. Come out here where the big forklifts are. See if we can run into one of them, huh? Oh! I think one of my drive tires is starting to give out. Sounds like it's ballooning more and more every time I drive it. Oh! Hopefully you guys can see this on the GoPro. It's early in the morning, it's overcast. GoPro doesn't film good in the dark. Oh! Test them front RPM carrier bearings right there. You can tell by the sound of that one. Looks like I need some back rear carrier bearings now. See if we can get her to the truck. And I almost ordered those two when I ordered the rest. But yeah, I just broke off the rear hub, rear barrier carrier, rear bearing carrier. Yeah, a little rough to say this morning. But yeah, there you go. She's a broke. Snapped it right there. Looks like all though the axle's still held up. So we'll get a set of RPMs for that one. The front ones seem to be holding up fine. I'll replace those. I bought them for bashing, not for racing, so I think they'll hold up just good. So there you go, guys. Traxxas / 2-wheel drive. Just my Thrasher, full trigger, run into whatever. It's one of those cars. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.